Hello students, how are you everyone and welcome to Deha Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. I am your teacher Sumedha. Today we are learning for standard 3rd and our topic name is puzzles and riddles. Now pay attention here. See, I am starting the lecture. Now see over here what is our topic name? Word games and in that puzzles and riddles. Now see here why this work for standard third? See now. So why it is useful? In short, we will know that first. Why it is useful? It's boost language. What did happen when you solve this kind of a question? Boost your language and comprehension and vocabulary. Understood? Vocabulary and comprehensions. Okay. Now see, introduce word play, sound and letters. Introduction to word play, sound and letters. Encourage logical thinking and problem. Logical thinking means what? You have to use the logic. Logic means what? You have to identify, means make the difference between four option. Right? This is helpful to you. Now see, keep kids engaged and entertained. This is so funny. So you get entertained also and you are engaged with it. Right? Now see, tips for you. Mix and match riddle style in a session. Okay, let them create their own pick and answer and write a riddle for classmates. Visualize helps. Visuals means helps draw rebus puzzles together. Track progresses print worksheet like this from super teacher worksheet. Okay, this is an activity you have to do at your home. Now see, we are taking the MCQ. That is what multiple choice question. Now pay attention over here. See, what is the first question? That is, I am a tall when I am young. I am a short when I am old. Who I am or who am I? See, a tree, a candle, a skyscraper, a mountain. So answer is a candle. Okay. I have hands but cannot clap. I have a face but no eyes. Who am I? Who am I? I am a cloud, a glove, a map, a phone. The answer is a clock. See, everyone know this is a clock. See, one second, I will show you in the right way. This is a clock. There is a 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11. Okay, I am not so good in a drawing, but I am trying to draw. See, I have face. This is a face. And I have hands. See, everyone knows the clock have hands. This kind of. This is large. This is a little bit large. And this is short. This is the hand. Can this clap? No. What is the answer then? A clock. Understood? This way you have to solve. Now see, I have a neck but no head. I have a neck but no head. I wear a cap but can't see. Who am I? Who am I? A bottle. Head. Wear a cap but can't see. Cap have a bottle have a cap, right? That cap means a bottle head, right? That the answer is bottle. See now, what belongs to you but it's used to more by other? What belongs to you but more used by other? Did you call yourself by your name? No. You what you do? Your friends, your family call you by your name, right? They are more useful to others. So answer is your name. You can catch me, but you can't throw me. What I am? A cold. Okay. Now next. What has keys but can't open locks? Have keys, a piano, a car, a door, a keyboard. A car has also have a keys, but you can open it. Door also have a keys, but you can open. A keyboard. Keyboard have button, but you cannot lock it. So what is the answer? The answer will be piano. Answer is piano. I am full of holes, but hold water. Who I am. A sponge, a bucket, a glass, a net. Now see, I will draw here a picture of sponge. This kind of a sponge. This have lot of many holes. It hold water. Now see, another option, a bucket. A bucket. Bucket. Okay, this have a, can hold the water, but if we make a hole to it, the whole water will be drained. Glass. Glass also same. A glass can hold the water, but if you make a hole, it will be drained. Net. Net. This is a net. This is a net. This can hold the water? No. So what will be the answer? Answer will be sponge. Sponge have hole and it also can hold the water. So what will be the answer? A sponge. Okay. Now students, next is I have a one eye but uh, cannot see. Who am I? See, a straw, a needle, hurricane, high scope. What is the answer? What will be the answer? Straw, needle, hurricanes, or skyloops? What will be the answer? Answer will be needle. What has a head, a tail, but not body? Answer is coin. See, what must be broken before you can use it? What is that? If you broke a glass, can you use that again? No. Silence, promise. If you break the promise, will you trust anyone again? No. If you break the promise, anyone will trust? No. If someone else broke your promise, will you trust them again? No. In that way, this is not the right answer. Our right answer is egg. When you broke the egg, you can make the omelette. Right? So this way, egg is the right answer. Now see, do practice for this type of question and thank you so much.